Hi everybody, welcome back for part 13. Today we're doing some more work in the kitchen and I've got Handy Andy here to help me explain.
So we started off reinsulating the walls that we opened up. Chose to use Roxol. And yep. And then we ended up putting the vapor barrier. Okay, yeah. And then we put vapor barrier up and I tuck taped all the seams. Stapled it, and then started hanging the drywall. Chose to use 5/8 because that seems to work pretty flush with the plaster that some of these homes have. Then we mudded it, and it doesn't have to be perfect because the whole wall is going to be full of cabinets and backsplash.
Not the most exciting, but I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for following. Part 14 later this week. Love you, bye. Hi guys, welcome back for part 14. Today we're installing the hardwood in our kitchen and dining room. We're of course using our Beckham Brothers 6-inch white oak engineered hardwood, and the color is Kensington for anybody who messaged me about that. We started off by lining up our hardwood, getting a nice straight line, and then Andrew began installing the hardwood. And if you've ever installed hardwood, you know it is a long and tedious process. We started this last night, worked well into the night, and then finally called it quits. And we started fresh again this morning. For anybody who has been asking, I finally made a YouTube channel. The account is AspenAckley. It's the same as my username on here. I'm going to be posting the final reveal on there. And if you care to follow along, I do post updates on my Instagram. The link is in my bio. And as you can see, I take a lot of breaks. This is the flooring. We love it. Thank you guys for following along, and thank you for 350K. That is insane. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello everybody, welcome back for part 15. Today we're installing the IKEA cabinets. And I don't have too much to say about today's video because I didn't help very much. Out of maybe the 8-hour day, I think I helped with 20 minutes of it. So, shocking. Enjoy this montage of Handy Andy hard at work. And for any of you who are interested, I did post our first YouTube video today. It's up on our channel, AspenAckley, same as our username on here. It just gives more of an introduction into who we are and talks a little bit more about our reno. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And this is our kitchen. We still need our countertop and backsplash, but it'll be coming soon, and part 16 will be up this weekend. Love you, bye! Hi guys, welcome back for part 16. Today we're installing a few more of our IKEA kitchen cabinets, and by the end of the day today we've got all of the cabinets installed, minus the island. We still have to do the drawers and doors. A lot of them were on back order from IKEA, so we aren't getting them until the end of July, but this was our day today. We're making some good progress in the kitchen. Andrew made sure all the cabinets were square before installing them, and nice and level, as we're going to be getting our counters in about 2 weeks. And then he drilled the holes for the kitchen plumbing. This is the kitchen faucet. I got it today off Amazon. If you are interested, you can send me a message about that. We're pairing it with our black onyx granite kitchen sink, same as our last home, and we're just picking our counters right now. But this is our current kitchen, and I did post on YouTube the renovation of our first home if you guys want to check that video out. And other than that, part 17 will be up this weekend. Love you, bye! Good morning everybody, welcome to part 17. This is another update on how our kitchen is going. So we spent all day yesterday working on it, putting in drawers and hanging doors and putting in shelves. But keep in mind we are still missing a couple pieces from IKEA, so it might look a little funky right now. But this is what we're going to be using as our food pantry. We're just missing the drawers at the bottom. And then we moved on to hanging more doors. And before anybody asks, no, we did not do blue cabinets. That is a protective film over top of our white cabinets. Then we got down to organizing. It's so nice to get all of our food and dishes off of the floor. We've kept them in boxes up until this point, so it's nice to get them into cabinets. And then we removed the blue film, which took almost as long as the actual install, and worked till about 1 a.m. last night. And this is what the kitchen looks like. Thanks for following, guys. Part 18 will be up later, and I love you, bye! Hello, everybody. Welcome back for part 18, believe it or not. This is the third video I'm uploading this weekend, so we have been busy. Today we're setting up our dining room, so Andrew started the morning off by hanging our new light fixture. Next, we worked together to assemble our dining table, and we actually got this entire dining set used, and it was free, but I'm fairly certain the whole thing is from IKEA. Next, I moved on to assembling this console table I got off Wayfair. And it feels so good to see kind of the whole process coming together. Thanks so much, guys, for following, and I hope you're enjoying it too. And I'll have a new post up this week. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello, everybody. Welcome back for part 19. We have been doing some updates in our bedroom, so it is slowly coming along. We got this new light fixture today. This one's actually from Amazon, so if you want the link for that, you can just send me a message. But we've been missing a headboard, and I was so ready to just go out and buy a headboard, but Andrew really insisted that he wanted to build one, and we had some extra lumber in our basement, and we had flooring left over from doing the floors, so I completely left this up to him. The design and everything, it was all him. I don't know where he gets his energy from, guys. I went upstairs to make some muffins, and I came back to a headboard. This is the final product, all installed. I'm completely obsessed with it. I don't know, he amazes me every day. Thanks for following, guys, and I'll have a new post up this week. Love you, bye. Hello, everybody. Welcome back for part 20. We start this video off by picking out our interior doors. So we went with the Lincoln Park style door from Lowe's, and I'll show those more once they're all painted and installed. But we spent this evening removing the old stairs. So this weekend, we have a company coming in to redo all of the stair treads and railing. So Andrew offered to do that himself, but I basically begged him to pay somebody to do it because with everything we have on the go, we'd be working on our stairs forever. So we have to remove all of the existing stairs, and it'll be nice because we can finally finish our hardwood flooring. You can see in this clip that the flooring only goes so far. But yeah, we're just chugging away, taking it day by day. Andrew removed all of the tile as well, as we're gonna be doing hardwood flooring at our front door. And this is what it looks like. Kind of a hot mess, but we're getting there. Thanks for following, guys. Part 21 later. Love you, bye. Hi guys, welcome to part 21. Today's video is our stair install, and I'm doing it in two parts because the stairs are a two-part project. So here's some before shots. I love the open riser, but it did need some updating, and considering they're the first thing you see when you walk in our front door, they kind of needed to be updated. So we had the guys working on them this morning, and we went with a white oak tread to match our flooring. And we're gonna pair it with a black wrought iron spindle, which you'll see in part 2 after we get all of the wooden parts stained. This is what it looked like by the end of today. I'm so happy with how it's turning out, and I know it's even gonna make such a difference once we get our flooring down. The plastic is just temporary before anybody asks about that. Part 22 is gonna be up tomorrow, so you can keep an eye out. I love you, goodbye. Hello everybody, welcome back for part 22. Yesterday we finally received the remainder of our IKEA order, so we officially have everything we need now to get this kitchen done. We spent last night putting on the remaining doors and drawers, and then this morning I took some time to put away all of our extra kitchen stuff that hadn't had a space prior. And then it was snack time, so I'm so excited to be working with BlendJet on today's video. BlendJet is the portable blender. It is perfect for people on the go or somebody like me who doesn't have a counter to prepare food on. It comes in so many different colors, and it is USB rechargeable. And if you guys are interested in getting your own, you can use my code ASPEN12 for 12% off. This afternoon, Andrew and I worked together on the island, and the kitchen is so close to being done, guys. We have to pick a backsplash, but we have our cabinet poles, and this Friday our counter is being delivered, and then that's it. So it's been a process, but we're nearing the end. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello, everybody. Welcome back for part 23. Today we got our counters, so happy counter day to us. It's so nice to finally have somewhere to prepare food, and just really satisfying seeing this kitchen finally coming together. We went with a white quartz countertop with some light veining throughout, just something nice and neutral to go with our decor. Andrew worked on fitting the new faucet, and then it was time to install our new cabinet poles. And I don't know what I was thinking when I placed this Amazon order, but I ordered maybe 50 cabinet poles. So he used the laser level to get them centered, and then I went around and installed all the poles. Tomorrow is 2 months of living here, so it has been a crazy journey. We've done a lot of work and accumulated almost 650,000, oh my gosh, of you guys in the process. Thank you for following. I've got a couple more videos and then it'll be the reveal. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.